Now we design a query wizard and query design. We need a query, a sample query wizard, same those all table. Okay. Payment table, student detail table, student roll number, name, name, course city, phone number only. Now again payment table, payment table, money receipt now, phone number, course fee, tiffin fee, mosque, payment, uh, phone number. Okay. The next detail finish. This is a query. Open, close all, open. This is a query. AutoCAD 3D freelancing web design, save. This is a query. Again, if we need a form design, query greater than all. Next column, modify student design, student payment detail form. This is a student payment design form. Open search, this search button 2. Again click here, design view, click here, data format with 2.5, save. Assalamualaikum. Yes sir. Yes sir. Again roll number, name, save. Open from yes, thank you. Now this is a click line button, then press on your keyboard shift key. Now click here and draw a line. This is single line, and on the button, this button, name, text total, unbound, data, control source, student database table, course fee, table, payment table, course fee, delete course fee, plus tiffin fee, delete, plus mosque fee, plus certificate fee, plus ID card fee plus others fee okay, save. Now open. This is the total fee. If you press 150, then now press enter, this total table is changed. Okay, do you understand? Thank you. Now we want to need add button. Add button design view, payment detail form, payment PAY, payment detail form, format log 26 and the middle. Now design a record option, find next, go to next record. The record option, add new record, click text, add record, add record, finish. Now finish, open. Now it is add record. Again design option, just open payment table, marks entry, payment table, registration table, design view, control C, copy, again open, again document, my mention, for online, open, enable content, design view, delete, control V, file open, registration table, design view, copy, now open, my mention, design view, control V. Now save, again open. This is open from first record, next record, previous record, thank you for watching. Next we design login from, user login from, admin login from. Thank you.